Speaking the role. So the session is about trading Euro CPI. You see this one here today, South African time, 12 o'clock, right? Right. So we must start understanding what is Euro CPI before we could trade it, right? How does it impact the market, right? And what are the pairs we should trade, right? Nice. So pairs we should trade, we're speaking of Euro USD, right? It's one of the pairs we should trade. We're speaking of any pair that has Euro, right? I hope we understand each other. Euro, indices, stock, features, forex, support, this. Nice. So we got Euro JPY, Euro AUD, Euro GBP, Euro CAD, right? And Euro US dollar, right? Nice. So going back to our economic calendar, right? We enter here on CPI, right? We're trying to understand, like we're trying to come up with a direction, right? So the reason I'm doing this is so that next time, right, when the role is not there to help, it's simple for you to come up with a direction, right? Nice. So let's focus here, right? I hope we all can see.
Sorry, Rory.
Yes.
Sorry, Rory. I wanted to raise my hand to comment. Is it possible for you to increase the screen because it's very small, way up there? I
I
can't
don't
see.
think I'll be. Can you rotate your phone,
Okay.
please?
Where's now?
Did you rotate?
I did. It's rotated, but it's still there on the corner. It's morning and there on the corner.
Is everyone
Very
experiencing the
unclear.
same problem? Because I think it's because of a phone.
No,
Is
I
it
think
no?
she needs to zoom her
Okay.
screen.
Okay.
Zoom her screen.
I've zoomed it. I've zoomed it. Thank you. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So let's try to understand the Euro CPI, right? So it says the consumer price index measures the change in the price of goods and services from the perspective of the consumer. Nice. It measures what? The change in the price. Listen to this one attentively with full understanding. It measures the change in the price of goods and services from the perspective of consumer. It is a key way to measure the changes in purchasing trends and inflation. Nice. So a higher than expected reading should be taken as positive or bullish for the euro.
Progress.
Can you please mute yourselves, guys? Please. So listen to this one. A higher than expected. Let me try. Please mute yourselves, guys. Okay, let me mute all of you. Nice. It says a higher than expected reading should be taken as positive or bullish, right? You can say bullish or positive for the euro. What does this statement mean? Is there anyone who can explain this statement to us? What does this? A higher than expected reading should be taken as positive, bullish for the euro on CPI. Do you guys understand this statement?
Yes.
Nice. So this statement says we're here, right? We're here on March, on 19 March 2025, right? So a higher than expected should be taken as what? As bullish, right? A higher than expected reading should be taken as bullish for the euro. So that statement is talking about this forecast, right? Don't worry about the actual. Let's talk about this forecast. The statement is talking about what? About this forecast. So if this forecast was to be high, we would consider doing what? Going bullish for euro. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? So, in fact, let's read the whole paragraph. Let's read the whole paragraph. While a lower than expected reading should be taken as negative bearish for the euro. So what is this reading? Is it a higher reading or a lower reading? Compared to
It's a lower. It's a lower. It's a lower.
Beautiful. Compared to what? To our previous. We compare it with our previous. Right? So this is very simple. Should we continue making more researches in terms of CPI? But I think this is too clear and straight. This is very straight, but no problem. Let's focus on it. So because of the forecast is less than the previous, what are we gonna do? That's the best question, right?
It's gonna be bearish on euro.
Beautiful, beautiful. So when it's bearish on euro, what's gonna happen on euro USD? It's already going down, but no problem. We're gonna sell it before 12. Oh, I said it. Nice. So because of it's bearish on euro, meaning we're gonna go to the downside, right? We'll be expecting a negative on euro, meaning we'll be expecting a weak euro, right? So if we be trading euro USD, let me do this, right? Let's get a pair, which pair we can use, right? Currency strength me, nice. Let's go. This is very nice, guys. I hope it makes sense. Let's get beautiful. So let's look at here, right? So which currency here has enough strength? It's USD, right?
Yes.
It's USD. So since it is USD and we have a pair Euro USD, right? Meaning we're gonna do what? We're gonna sell Euro USD. Do you guys understand each other? Before 12 o'clock. 2 minutes before, because I know just markets has problems. 2 minutes before we sell Euro USD. Why? It's clear, very straight, right? It says while a lower than expected reading should be taken as negative for euro. So meaning we have a weak euro, right? Even currency strength meter is telling us, look at this. Look at how euro is so weak here. You see, it only have one bar. So having one bar, it's Euro USD CPI. We sell what? Euro USD. Right? Nice. So let's try to see what happened on previous days. I mean on previous we had this one here of 3 March 2025. Wow. So the CPI, meaning it is 2 times, like it takes place 2 times per month on euro, not on USD or any other. Because look at this here, it says 24 February, and here it says 3 February. You see what I'm talking about? Nice. So let's try to see this one. This one. 3 March 2025, right? From 2.5 to 2.4. Let's go to 12 o'clock, 3 March 2025 on Euro USD, right? Okay. very much. Very much 12 o'clock. Oh, there's no movement there. There's no movement. This movement is very slow. I mean, it's very small. You see what I'm talking about, guys? Oh, it's me. I'm on the wrong side. 25 March. I mean, 3 March 2025. Hey. Okay, let's go to 24 Feb. 24 Feb. So we have FOMC today, guys. FOMC, right? We're gonna watch FOMC after here. Try to make it make sense. And we're few inside our group. I don't know. 12 o'clock. Hey, there's no movement. Yeah. Okay, so this is simple. We came up with a direction for Euro USD, right? So it's a sell for Euro USD during their CPI today, right? And we have FOMC. Yeah, we have FOMC. Let's look at FOMC. So today, 12 o'clock, Euro USD, sell, right? We all understood why we are selling. Am I lying? Are we guys
You're
to
not.
Yes, we understand.
we understand why we are selling, right? So let's look at FOMC.
Yes.
E.log interest rate, right? So we have Euro USD and FOMC same day. Too much. So Federal Open, okay, let me try to zoom. Federal Open Market Committee members vote on where to set the rate. Traders watch interest rate changes closely as short-term interest rates are the primary factor in currency valuation. A higher than expected rate is positive for USD, while a lower than expected rate is bearish for USD, right? Okay. Where is the readings? But here it is there. Why is it not there? Okay, let's look at here because there it's not visible. Let's look at here, right? It's 4.5 and 4.5, right? So what does this tell us? We don't know the direction. Because if the forecast was higher than the previous, right, it was gonna be positive for USD, right? Meaning we were gonna do what? Sell gold, right? But these things are equal. And another example, if the forecast was less than previous, we were gonna do what? Buy gold, right? I hope this does not confuse you. But they are equal. Since they are equal, what are we doing? We're gonna go with the structure of what? Of gold. I hope we understand the chart. With the structure of gold, 8 o'clock today, let's go and see gold. Okay. XAU USD. I hope so the bottom part is that the forecast is equal to the previous. That's the bottom part. Right. Let's go to 4 hour. So what is our overall direction here? It's bullish, right? We're trying to come up with a direction for CPI because so our overall direction is CPI. I mean, it's bullish. So since it is bullish, right? We can never sell because you are never go against the trend when you don't have the direction from investing.com, right? Never go against the trend. So now gold is on 30,000. In fact, 3.03 is 30,000. No problem. We understand each other. So I personally will be looking for buy today at 8 o'clock. Reason being, the trend is buy, it's on bullish, and coming here, let's look at this. The forecast is equal to the previous. You see what I'm talking about? So since the forecast is equal to previous, we go technical way. I hope we understand each other. We go technical way. Today I'll be going full margin on this one. Fed interest rate decision. Full margin, 8 log, buy. That's what I'm gonna do today. On gold. Nice. So this one, Euro USD, did you see the previous event there? There was no huge movement, right? So I don't really like it. And yeah, I don't really like this one. So I wish we would let this one pass and trade this one. Go full margins here. You understand what I'm saying? Because we went to what is that? We went to the event of, is it 24 Feb? Yeah, 24 Feb, and there was no movement. So meaning it does not make a big difference. We went to 24 Feb, we did not have a movement. We went to 3 March, we did not have a big movement. Here we want big movements only, right? So let's trade FOMC today. Let's buy gold today during FOMC. Simple. So 8 o'clock, we're buying gold, right? And please risk enough so you make enough. I hope we are together. This is a buy, yeah. Because during the day, this market, this is a nice, beautiful buy. And buying here, for full margin, you don't hold. Holding is very dangerous. The market does not move straight. We've been going up for a long time. So, yeah. Is there any part you guys did not understand or any confusion or any, you understand what I'm talking about? So this week I was sick. I was very sick, guys. Hey, I was very sick, but no problem. I was very sick and I had many tests, but now I'm free.
Good.
Yes, Sam. I had someone. Okay, sir.
So you said we don't trade CPI today, yeah?
Yeah, the reason we're not gonna trade CPI is because we backtested this movement here on 3 March. On 3 March here, there was no huge movement. You understand when I say huge movement? There was no huge movement.
Yeah.
Yes, we backtested this one of Feb. Still, there was no huge movement. So I don't want a point where the market does not move and we went to full margins. So it is highly obvious that FOMC is gonna move, right? So let's do it FOMC way, and yeah, we buy gold during FOMC. Let's see the structure of NES 100. Let's see what's happening with NES 100. Nice. So let's see. So for NES 100 to go up today during FOMC, but it must go up. Why? Because look at this. There's a change of character. There's a change of character with a nice, beautiful body. With a nice, beautiful body. Our only problem is this here. Running out of time. Our only problem is this for our FVG. But it's not really a problem because 8 is very far. Right? So this market, this next must give us another buy. In fact, it must give us a buy for our buy FVG to show that we're gonna go to the upside, right? So now there's nothing we can do, right? Because why we have this SL FVG, right? And we did what? We changed character to the upside. So it's not really wise selling here now because we changed character. And yeah, let's wait for FOMC. Let's wait for FOMC, or we can still trade together at 3:30. If Nesandra does not open, listen to this one. This is very diverse. If it does not open a buy fair value gap here, right, we'll consider going to the downside during New York session. During New York session, we'll consider going to the downside. Why? Because we will not gonna have a buy FVG. But if we have a buy FVG, right, we consider going to the upside because this market must go up due to this break here. We call it what? Change of what? Change of character. I hope we understand it. What is change of character? You see this high here. It's a higher low, right? We broke this higher low. Like, let me make another example. Look at this high here, high here, high here, high here. How many highs do we have here? Like they are many. We have this one here, right? We have this one here, right? We have this one here, right? And this is our 4-hour time frame, right? Don't get confused. So we never had a situation. No, okay, let me fix this. We never have had a situation where Nesandra break this high, right? But here we broke this high here. You understand what I'm talking about? And we understand. We broke this high here. Breaking this high, it indicates what? Change of character. Right? To confirm that we're gonna go to the upside, it must give us what? 4-hour FVG. A buy 4-hour FVG. But we don't have it yet. That's why we relax until New York session. New York session, you wanna trade? Mark out your 4-hour FVGs. Simple. Marking out your 4-hour FVGs. If it gives you a buy 4-hour FVG, no, we're gonna go to the upside. If it does not give you, we're gonna go to the downside. I hope we understand each other. So a change of character, we see it by breaking here, here, here. So it never broke from here until here. It never broke to these highs. It never did that. So meaning this was beautiful sales. And what did I say about 4-hour FVG? I said 4-hour FVG, you use it to see your daily buyers. This is what I'm talking about. You use it to see your what? Your daily buyers. This is very simple.
Excuse me, Mr. Rory.
Yes, sir.
The current FVG that we see there on theirs is sell FVG, right? Can you show us an example of a buy FVG?
Oh, an example of a
Please.
buy FVG. Okay, let's go search a buy FVG. A buy FVG. So it's there, it's supposed to be somewhere here. Okay, here is a buy FVG. This is an example of a buy FVG. This one here. See, it's an example of what a buy FVG. Even this one is a buy FVG. You see what I'm talking about? This is a buy FVG. It's a buy FVG. This one is a sell FVG. This one is a sell FVG. So a buy FVG is when the market is going to the upside, right? So this is a buy FVG. This is a sell FVG. I hope we understand.
Okay.
The next one is this one. This one is a buy FVG. You see this one.
I see. Thanks.
Or prop. We have videos in our group, and everything is explained well, very well, but no problem. And that videos we're supposed to go through, right? Otherwise, this is very clear. Whoever will consider whoever will consider trading CPI, Euro CPI, just buy it. I mean, just sell it. I made a mistake. Just sell it. FOMC today, 100% full margins going there. Right? The only trick is that FOMC is the forecast is equal to the previous, right? But the structure is a big buy on gold. Beautiful, right? So otherwise, yeah, speaking, thank you very much for attending this session, right? Yeah, and enjoy your day. Let's make money, right? Let's milk this podcast. Thank you for your time, guys. Thank you. Much appreciated.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. And so, you know, this flu is still killing me. This flu is still killing me.
You're still sick.
Very sick. And that lecture you want to see us today, I'm not going there.
See you then.
I don't know. He just said he want us to come to. I ain't going there. Hey. I've never seen a lecture who like classes like that one. Soon he will be like, let's go to the field. Hey. And I'm like, I'm sick. Yeah, today I'm sure. Today we're killing FOMC.